Hi, thanks for watching and welcome to another Nighttime Nibbles food review. And in this one, I'm going to be having a go on these. Now, what are these? Jacks, part of the Tesco family, mature cheddar and red onion hand-cooked crisps, tangy cheese and caramelised sweet red onions made with British potatoes. 120 grams, sharing bag. Now there's your traffic lights. Let's have a quick look at them, then we'll come back to that Tesco's thing. So this is for a 30 gram serving, is 7.5 of that 30 grams is fat, and that's a red, and then 0.8 of 1 gram is an amber, that's saturates. Sugars is a green at 0.6 of 1 gram, and salt is an amber at 0.26 of a gram. Oh, we'll come back to the Tesco's bit in a minute. I'll just get this ingredients and that out of the way. So there's your ingredients, and there's the nutritionals. Now, have we got any allergens? Do you know what? I don't think there is. There's not that many ingredients on there. No allergens listed, I don't think. No artificial colours and no artificial preservatives. Gluten-free as well. Suitable for vegetarians and suitable for vegans. Matt, if you're watching, suitable for vegans, mate. Now, Jacks, I've not heard of these before. Now, part of the Tesco family. I never bought them in Tesco's. I was working at my daughter's house, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. I think that's about 3 weeks ago. And we just popped in her local Budgeons, and I picked up these in there, and I think I did pay £1.25 for them. Now I've gone on I went in Tesco's yesterday, and I thought I'll just see if they do sell them in here, and I can't find them in there. They're not in there. Went online. I don't think they're online either, like under Tesco's. In fact, I couldn't even, I don't know if Budgeons have got a website, but they weren't showing up on Budgeons either. A few other like unknown shops or companies were selling them, but yeah. So what all that part of the Tesco's family is about, I do not know. If anyone knows, get in the comments, let me know. So yeah, I paid £1.25 for 120 grams pack, which is round about a penny a gram, so that's good. At Jack's, we're all about bringing you expertly made, great quality choices from Britain and around the world. These delicious cheddar and red onion flavour crisps are made right here in Britain for a flavour that's worth savouring. Red Tractor certified potatoes. Right, well, let's try them then. Try not to split the bag because I won't be eating them all. So as usual, not too much smell there. A lot of air in there as well. Got a very crunchy, just like you normally get with your hand-cooked crisps. Nice and thick, bit thicker than you normally get with your standard like Walker's type crisp. A little bit thicker than them. Lots of flavour. Yeah, liking them. You know the old slogan, you know, what is it? Pringles, is it? Is it Pringles? I think I've got some in the cupboard there, which I got to review. I think that's Pringles in the tub. Once you pop, you can't stop. Well, that's the same with these. As soon as I open a bag of crisps, I have trouble putting them down. Right. They're nice. Yeah, they're nice. Yeah. They're probably on a par with like your Kettle, your Taylors, which you pay a lot more money for them. And I like picking up the standard supermarket ones normally, because they're normally up to them as well. So yeah, they're right in the ballpark of the competition. And at £1.25, if that is the fixed price there, they have positioned themselves really well in the market. They've got the right product at the right price, and in the right marketplace, i.e. the right shops, that would sell loads. They'd sell loads of them. Right, let's have a look at some other scores. So I obviously have to know what I scored other things to be able to base my score around. Let's have a look. Right, what we got on here? Okay, I really like them. I'm going to give them an 8.9. I really like them. They're getting an 8.9. If you've had these, I know they do them in salt and vinegar as well. So I might have to swing in Budgeons again, see what else they got in there next time I'm over my daughter's way. Yeah. Right. Okay guys, that is another Nighttime Nibbles food review. Thanks for watching, and I hope you join me and our Boo Boo, who's over there, who's about to come over here again soon on another video. Take care guys. Oh, here we go, Boo Boo. You know what time it is. Woohoo! Look at this, here we go. It's Dreamies time. Yeah, my man. Yeah. You like to have 3, don't you? There we go. Good boy. He'd eat the whole pack, just like I'd eat the whole pack of them. Cheers, guys.